Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Okay, you are welcome.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to magnify part of an image in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So right here, I'm in Photoshop and I have my image here already. Now, I have another image. It's not an image, but it's a PNG image. I have it here, and this is what I'm going to use to magnify the image we have at the other window. So what I'm going to do is to drag this image from here to the image where we are going to magnify. So I'm going to drag this image to that part. Yes, now we have this here. It's very small, so I'm going to make it big. So Ctrl+T to select it, and then I increase the image, and I think this is fine. This is fine for me. Alright, now we have the other image here, and we are going to magnify this person here. So what we are going to do now, the first thing to do is to come to the toolbar here and click on Magic Warp tool. The shortcut for it is W on the keyboard, and then I'm going to select this image, the PNG image. I'll select here and also select here, and by doing so I'll press on Shift and then select the other part. Now we have selected the magnifier holding the person. So I've selected it, and now what I'm going to do is to fill in with white. So I create another layer and come to my bucket tool and then paint it or fill it with white. Then after that, I deselect it. You can use alt+delete to deselect your selection. Then after that, what we are going to do is to copy this background, the image we have here, and this is lock, so I'll remove the lock and press on Ctrl+J to make a copy of this picture, and then bring it up here. And what I'm going to do is to make this picture big. So Ctrl+T, and I resize it and make it a little bit big, and I make sure it is in the middle. Right. Alright, so the next thing to do is to clip this into the selected white area here. So what we are going to do is to click on this and select create clipping mask. Now we can see it is very big, but we want to achieve something. We want to move this hand around so that we can see the magnified arms and hands on the actual image we have. So what we are going to do is to select these two layers by pressing on Shift and then selecting it, and then we click on this, that is the link layers, and then we try to move this, and we can see the image is magnified when we move the hands around. You can see it very well. We can see his head very big. When we move it, the hands is very small. So this is how to create a magnifying image in Photoshop. This is very simple and this is very short for you. Practice this in your design process, and you can even use it for flyers and other stuff. It depends on what you are trying to create for your client. So this is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and under the comment section you can give any comment, or you can even ask any question, and I'll be there to answer you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.